when you come into the office to receive a session with acoustic sound, the first thing I will do is assess your pulses. There are 12 of them on each side of the wrist, 6 on each, and based on that and a scanning, which is a scanning I will do with my hand over your body, assessing the energy field outside of you. I will scan the 3 layers. The first layer is the etheric layer, about a hand's width from your body, from toe to head. And then I will assess the emotional body, or the astral body, which is like 2 hands width from your body. And finally, the mental body, which is about 3 hands width from your physical body. Imbalances in your field would be detected here through my sensibility and the energy that you give off, heat, cold, etc. And based on these 2 assessments, I will then have you on the table, either in the front or back position, and apply tuning forks, sound therapy, while you are fully dressed, relaxed. So the object is really to make you harmonized, balanced and cleared, so your energy field can be as expanded and open and vibrating as possible. The object is often that the client will feel very relaxed, very balanced, grounded and focused after a session with acoustic sound.